Designing an Indian kitchen is a challenge, from matching colors and finishes to finding the right style of cabinets and the countertop. By the time you're thinking about the right backsplash, you're exhausted already. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? Today, the variety of kitchen backsplash is so huge that it can be overwhelming. So sit back and relax while I take you through the most trending and stylish kitchen backsplashes. Let me show you the very first option that we have, glass highlighter. Glass highlighter tiles are designed to bring shine, character and luxury to any wall. These are made of ceramic. It has also got a 1 mm glass coating here. The one that I have in my hand, the size is 300 by 600 mm. This has got a very high glossy surface. Let me take you through our glass highlighter tile collection. Here we have contemporary geometric patterns. If you take a close look, you can see this has got metallic acids. Here we have the golden one. Now this one is our latest collection. Here you can see herringbone pattern. Even this has got the golden finish. It's looking so beautiful. Here you can see the fish scale pattern. Just look at this. It's so beautiful. Just have a look here. This has got floral patterns. Can you see the texture, the colors available in it? It's so beautiful. Now again we have beautiful patterns of fish scale here. So many colors, so many patterns, it's looking so amazing. Now here, this is reflecting a lot. This one is high glossy surface. It will instantly elevate any space. Just look at this. Now this is something new. You would have never seen this anywhere on a kitchen backsplash. This is the tropical one. Just imagine this being the center of attraction in the room that you have put. The clean design and reflective surface makes it perfect for creating feature walls, kitchen backsplash, highlight area, shower surround, etc. If I talk about the quality and durability, it gives you high resistance for moisture, stain and water. It is very easy to clean, making it ideal for kitchen backsplash and bathroom. It is very strong and durable, suitable for daily household use. Next, say hello to our 2x1 geometric tile. It comes in both matte and glossy finish. This also comes in various patterns. Let me show you. Here we have the brick pattern. This is made of ceramic and has got a glossy finish. Can you see the beautiful pastel colors available here? Now let's talk about this brick pattern. The size is 300 by 300 mm. This has got a glossy finish. Also, if you take a close look, you can see this has got a beveled effect. If I'm saying beveled effect, it means the edges are slightly raised. Also, this comes in different tints. So when you place it on your kitchen backsplash, it will give you an effect of randomness. Now this one here, it's giving an absolute rustic finish. Have a quick look. Here you can see that how there is a scattered effect of grout. It makes it look like we've placed actual bricks here. Here we have another brick pattern here. This has got a matte finish. If you take a close look, you can see this has got a rustic finish. Now have a look at this. This is herringbone pattern. It has got so many varieties of colors. Just have a look. Yellow, brown, green, blue. This has got multiple colors and you can use them in many places like hotels, cafe, boutique, behind your kitchen backsplash, shower surround, highlight area, etc. Now these tiles are about adding texture, charm and character to your walls. Have a look at this one. This is in the size 300 by 600 mm. This has got a glossy finish. This is made of ceramic. Now this one is fish scale pattern. This is available in different colors. So if you put this in your kitchen backsplash, it will instantly uplift the look. These geometric tiles gives your wall a designer touch instantly. Now these are in 300 by 300 size. Just look at the reflective look, it's so shiny. So each design comes in different color. So if you like one design, we have multiple color options for it. Here you can see, this is available in blue, green, white, grey, etc. In this you can see the color availability. It's a huge collection. Now if you're talking about kitchen backsplash, it is impossible to not include subway tiles. They come in so many color options. Not just the vibrant colors, but right now the white subway tiles are also making a comeback. Now the other trending color options available are aqua, teal, mustard and many more. So if we talk about the different patterns that we can create like brick layout, basket weave or herringbone, they are highly customizable. Also if you pair them with contrasting grout colors, the design is going to pop up. Also for your information, we made a dedicated video on subway tiles. So click on that I button and check out the full video. Now let's talk about Moroccan tiles. Moroccan tiles are famous for the floral prints. Now this one which I have in hand is having matte finish and is made of ceramic. You can also find vitrified tiles. They are widely used for kitchen backsplashes due to the variety of designs available. At My Tiles, you can find a huge collection that we have. You can have a detailed information on Moroccan tiles by clicking the I button linked to the video. Now let's talk about black and white tiles. They are famous for its repetitive patterns and simplicity. They are available in 3 sizes, that is 8 by 8 inches, 12 by 12 inches and 24 by 24 inches. The one that I have in my hand is made of ceramic. They are also available in vitrified tiles. Let's have a look. Right now we have these 2 tiles in similar design. So what's the difference? The difference lies between the size and the material used. This one here is 12 by 12 inch tile in ceramic material, while this one here is 24 by 24 inch tile in vitrified material. If you compare them, this one here looks more bright. Vitrified tiles comes in 2 forms, that is double fire tile and triple fire tile. We prefer triple fire tile because of its durability, it is stain and water resistant, plus it's provide longevity. So if budget is not a problem, you can definitely choose a triple fire tile for your kitchen backsplash. These are 2 by 4 vitrified tiles having marble finish. They resemble natural quartz like Botticino, Carrara, Satvario and Calcutta, which are extremely popular. So the usual height of a kitchen backsplash is 2 feet. So with 2 of these slabs, your kitchen is ready to use. We have a huge collection available in similar design in 6 feet tiles. If you have a bigger kitchen and you want to have a similar look, then you can go for 8 feet slab or 10 feet slab. They come in both matte and glossy texture. You can also have a similar design in 2 by 1 feet tiles. So if you have a bigger kitchen like L-shaped kitchen, U-shaped kitchen, parallel kitchen, just with one tile, your kitchen is done completely. Now this one here is having a glossy finish, and similar to this we have here in matte finish. They both have similar looking veins and gives you the same consistency. So as I mentioned earlier, we have 2 by 1 feet similar to 2 by 4 and 8 feet slabs. Just look at the veins here. Stay updated with more such style information by clicking that bell icon, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.